workshop was really great experience for me, and I enjoyed it from the beginning to the end because I learned the crucial things for me to know how to use my camera, and then I practiced it and I got the feedback, and I'm looking forward to work with it further. But also I met group of great people, very nice, very inspiring, very interesting personalities, the other participants as well, and the organizers in the first place. And I would recommend it to anybody who wants to work on his skills.